Hello everyone, this is my first video. I have a lot of collection of makeup and beauty stuff, like mostly personal care stuff, but not that much of makeup. But still I need at least formal makeup for my interviews, so that I have. Other than that, I don't have any makeup, but I have a lot of skincare products. But since this is my first video, I would like to talk about a collection of mine, my earring collection, and including one bracelet. And also, if you are wondering which lip color I'm wearing, it is this Bella Voste color. The shade is 04 Mercier Rouge. So in case you are wondering, this is the tint I'm using. And for the earring I'm wearing right now, it is this one, this gold earring. It is very cute, basic, very elegant. I like such things. you know so my collection this is my collection of earrings. Okay, and in case you're wondering why I have so many bumps on my forehead, yeah, that's a big story. So if you want to hear that and how I got them and now I'm treating them, please answer please reply me, so I'll make another video about it. And if you cannot see in this video, but I have colored my hair. I'm not that much of a artificial chemical person, so I've just applied henna. And if you want to know the process, and believe me, you can't see now, but they are like, they in sunlight they look all red, all bright red. So if you want to know how I've done it all, you please comment. I'll make another video explaining everything from A to Z. Okay, so this is my collection. Now let's open it. And this tiny box, this cute yellow cap box container is of 10 rupees only. You will get this in Mumbai, or I only know about Mumbai. So my collection is, so the first thing that I need, this is the only thing I need as you see in earrings, because I need this for my interviews. In case you are wondering what kind of an interview needs proper earrings, I've given interview for air hostess and I've got through it. Now my training will start any day. So if you want to know the story behind that also, you have to comment. Okay, so these are the earrings. These are small pearl earrings which I wear on my interviews. So these are something which you need. See, I applied henna, okay, without gloves, so that's the proof. So then next I have three same kind of a earring, but three different colors. Okay, so the first color is this. Yeah, when I bought these I was very excited, but now they look too blingy, see, have a look. This is the first color, okay, sky blue. The next color, and one of these three colors I like really. The next color is red. So the same thing in red, and there's a rose. The red thing is a rose. Okay, the blue thing was just a stud. The last in this type of an earring is a golden. Like it? It's a stud as well. You like it? I like this one. This is my favorite one of the three. The next earring in my collection is this. I know it's some grandma type of earrings, but I like these. And I very rarely get to wear these because these are very difficult to, incorporate with your costume or whatever attire you're wearing. But they stand out. This is the reason, because they stand out so much that everything else gets, The next earring I like only, they like, very non how to say it. I'm a very I don't want everyone to look at me, so I just have every subtle thing in my collection. Yeah, subtle, that's the word, subtle things in my collection. So this is the next one. You see, I only have these many. I'm not that big of a fan of earrings, but I like these, some subtle ones which stand out. But this earring, these two earrings I must show you. First is this. Isn't it cute? Yeah, I love it. It looks good on me as well because I have a small face, and it highlights my features as well. But the best earring in my collection is this. I like it. It highlights my face. It, gives a boost to my features. It looks really good on me because see, look at the heart shape of it. It really, looks very good with my face. With my small face, that looks very good. And this is the last earring, which I only have one, so I sometimes use it in my nose. So yeah, I only have one of these. The last earring one is remaining, and it is this. How is it? Yeah, I like it too, but it's too difficult to incorporate with your costume attire. Sorry. The last um, uh, thing in my collection is this bracelet, which is a very common thing. Almost every girl has this one. It's this. Yeah, I bought this bracelet because it matched this slightly, or maybe I bought these earrings because they match the bracelet slightly. I don't remember. Maybe I bought the bracelet first, but yeah, that is it. So, and in case you are wondering, I've also done a makeup course from a very reputed company in a workshop, so I can't take the name, but still, if you want to know anything related to beauty or anything in the world, anything, just let me know, because if you want to know anything about personal care, I have a lot of well, not experience, but still knowledge, you can say, and a collection as well. This is not a very good collection, I know, but I'm not that much into earrings and all, but I am into personal care. So I have anything, if you want to know about charcoal or sheet masks, and or any, I have oils as well, facial oils as well, if you want to know about them. I have soaps which are good for the skin and all, which types of soap do what and everything. And what else? I don't have much in lip color, but I'm good in you know uh, just having one color and doing the whole face with it. The camera is not that good, I'm just filming it on my phone. So yeah. And if you want to know anything about my collection, what else? Yeah, anything about diet as well, because for giving the air hostess interview, I had to increase my weight, a lot of it, because I was 40 kgs, and in my BMI it was not fitting properly, so my BMI was not proper. So now I am almost there. I reduced some weight, like I just lost some weight due to some um, friend problems. But now yeah, so if you want to know anything about weight gain as well, girls like me, we have problem in weight gaining. So if you want to know anything about it, I can tell you, because I do it daily. Yeah, and it worked for me. And other things as well, on YouTube I have my what we say, videos for some, for things that I've tried and it worked. From these YouTube videos, I watched them and I tried them on my own, because I had those concerns, so I had them on my own, and they actually work. So if you want to know that collection, I'll just public that playlist album, so you could see. Okay, so if you want to know anything, if you want to know how I'm treating these forehead bumps, so they are not pimples but they are bumps. So if you want to know, please let me know. I'm taking some help for it as well. Okay, and also my hair color. Yeah. Okay, bye.